ये तुमको हो जाए, आज हमको देखो जरा, जवा हो यारो ये तुमको हो जाए, आज हमको देखो जरा, ये माना अभी है खाली हाथ, न होंगे सदा यही दिन रात, कभी तो बनेगी अपनी बात। अरे यारो मेरे प्यारो मेरी मानो दिल का
Presenting the presentation on Universal Children's Day. Aim: to understand when Universal Children's Day is, to understand some of the key facts about this day, to begin to become familiar with some of the rights of a child. Universal Children's Day focus on when is Universal Children's Day? Why do we have this celebration? What did the United Nations begin on 28th of the November? What are children's rights? What are some of these rights? What do people do on Universal Children's Day? Is every child living a good life? Are there other Children's Day? Do other countries celebrate Children's Day? When is Universal Children's Day? The United Nations Universal Children's Day is on 28th November. This important worldwide celebration happens every year. Why do we have this celebration? In the year 1954, the United Nations thought it would be good for all countries and religions around the world to come together on 28th of November in a joint celebration. It is a day for everybody to think about children, help create a friendly world for every child, and to help children know their own rights. History. On 20 November 1959, UN started to use a document called the Declaration of the Right of the Child. On 20 November in 1989, they also started to use the children's right listed in the Convention of the Right of the Child. UNICEF works very hard to protect these rights around the world. What are children's rights? Children's rights are things that every child should have or be able to do. Most countries follow these rights but not all. There are 54 children's rights in the United Convention on the Rights of the Child. What are some of these rights? Some of the children's rights are the right to be alive, Article 6, the right to give your opinion, Article 12, the right to food, clothing, a safe place to live, and to have your basic needs met, Article 27, the right to an education, Article 28, the right to play and rest, Article 31, the right to protection from work that harms you and is bad for your health and education, Article 32. What do people do on Universal Children's Day? You could learn about children's rights. You could take part in fun activities to raise money for children's charities like Save the Child. You could learn about the research other children around the world may be living a very different life to your own. Is every child living a good life? Can you think of a child who doesn't get a good education, doesn't get good food, clothing, or a safe place to live? It may be someone you have heard about in the news, on TV, or from somebody else. Think about how can we help and protect other children who may be in need. Are there other Children's Day? There are other Children's Day celebrated like Children's Day in July. That day began in year 1856 when Revered Dr. Charles Leonard held a special service just for children. It was called Rose Day and then Flower Day. Do other countries also celebrate Children's Day? Yes, other countries also celebrate children on different dates too. For example, in Thailand, they celebrate on the second Saturday in January. In New Zealand, they celebrate on the first Sunday of March. In India, we celebrate on 14th of the November. On behalf of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, thank you for the celebrating Universal International Children's Day. Continue with the sound of child mind.
बच्चे